Here I have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing power key, choose power off, and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys, and release them as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let's choose the first option, which is recovery mode, and press volume down to choose it. Now the device is booting into recovery mode. And that's it. This is the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to choose it. The device is wiping the cache files, formatting all temporary cache files from the storage. Your personal data won't be affected, and as soon as Android system recovery mode pops up again on the screen, let's simply hold down the power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. You have to wait a couple of seconds until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.